Turn my phone to silent dreams. Need a break from everything. Even love feels loud these days. Too much static in my brain. Sometimes distance keeps me sane. Silence frees the tired veins. Love on airplane mode tonight. No more noise, no endless fights. Just my heartbeat, soft and quiet peace in my own flight. Messages can wait till dawn. Pressure off, the weight withdrawn. Loving you was sweet but loud. Needed space to breathe somehow. Disconnect to feel again. Silence is my closest friend. Tonight, healing through the quiet flight.